Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. 12x positive 28 divided by 4 negative s over 13 equals to r times x negative 8. In the given equation, s and r are constants and s is greater than 0. If the equation has infinitely many solutions, what is the value of s? Okay, now let's do some simplification on the left side and the right side of the given equation. Here 4 is a common denominator for this 12x and 28. So let's take this 4 as denominator separately for this 12x and 28. Then we get 12x over 4, a positive 28 over 4 negative s over 13 equals to, we can distribute this r to x and negative 8, then we get rx negative r times 8 is 8r. Okay, here 4 goes into 4 one times and 4 goes into 12 three times. Here 4 goes into 4 one times and 4 goes into 28 as 7 times. We get 3x a positive 7 negative s over 13 equals to r times x negative 8r. Okay, that's all the simplification we can do. And the question says that the equation has infinitely many solutions. If an equation has infinitely many solutions, then the stuff we have on the left side and the stuff we have on the right side must be same. Here we have a linear expression, that is we have x term and we have to consider this one as constant because the question says s is a constant. We have to consider this complete stuff as a constant. We have a linear expression on the right side, that is a x term, and this is constant because it contains r. Question says r is a constant. Okay, so the linear expression on the left side, the linear expression on the right side must be same because the given equation has infinitely many solutions. Since the two linear expressions are considered to be same, the coefficient of x on the left side, the coefficient of x on the right side must be equal. Then we get 3 equals to r. The constant term on the left side, constant term on the right side must be equal. Then we get 7 negative s over 13 equals to negative 8r. Okay, in this equation, there are two unknowns. One is s and the other one is r. Our aim is to get the value of s. For that, we need the value of r over here. Already we got the value of r over here, that is r equals to 3. Let's plug in this 3 for r over here and solve for s in this equation. Okay, now let me do it over here. That is 7 negative s over 13 equals to negative 8 times 3. 7 negative s over 13 equals to negative 8 times 3 is negative 24. Let me subtract 7 from both sides of the equation. Then this positive 7, negative 7 will cancel out. Negative s over 13 equals to, when I combine negative 24 and negative 7, I am getting negative 31. Okay, let's multiply both sides of this equation by negative 13. Okay, let me do it. That is negative 13 times negative s over 13 equals to negative 13 times negative 31. Okay, here 13 goes into 13 one times, 13 goes into 13 one times. Negative 1 times negative s is positive s. On the right side, negative times negative is positive. 13 times 31 is 403. Okay, here I got the value of s, that is 403.